The cat sleeps on the warm sofa every afternoon.
The cat sleeps on the warm sofa every afternoon.
I gave the cat milk and some food.
I gave the cat milk and some food.
This gum costs 1 cent at the small store.
This gum costs 1 cent at the small store.
I found a cent on the playground today.
I found a cent on the playground today.
We met in the town center for lunch.
We met in the town center for lunch.
The shopping center opens at 9 every day.
The shopping center opens at 9 every day.
A century means 100 years in time.
A century means 100 years in time.
This painting is from the last century.
This painting is from the last century.
Please sit on the chair next to me.
Please sit on the chair next to me.
The chair is wooden and very strong.
The chair is wooden and very strong.
I need to change my shoes before the run.
I need to change my shoes before the run.
She wants change for a $5 bill.
She wants change for a $5 bill.
Look at the chart to see our scores.
Look at the chart to see our scores.
The teacher drew a chart on the board.
The teacher drew a chart on the board.
These shoes are cheap, but they look nice.
These shoes are cheap, but they look nice.
The hotel was cheap and clean last night.
The hotel was cheap and clean last night.
Please check your answers before you hand in.
Please check your answers before you hand in.
I will check the door and the windows.
I will check the door and the windows.
I would like bread with cheese for lunch.
I would like bread with cheese for lunch.
This cheese tastes strong but very good.
This cheese tastes strong but very good.
We ate chicken with rice and salad tonight.
We ate chicken with rice and salad tonight.
He cooked chicken in the oven for dinner.
He cooked chicken in the oven for dinner.
The child is happy and plays with blocks.
The child is happy and plays with blocks.
I saw a child drawing a big house.
I saw a child drawing a big house.
I love chocolate, but I only eat a little.
I love chocolate, but I only eat a little.
She bought chocolate for the movie night.
She bought chocolate for the movie night.
Please choose one book from the small shelf.
Please choose one book from the small shelf.
I cannot choose between tea and coffee.
I cannot choose between tea and coffee.
We went to the cinema on Saturday night.
We went to the cinema on Saturday night.
The cinema near our house is very clean.
The cinema near our house is very clean.
Our city has a big park and a lake.
Our city has a big park and a lake.
He moved to the city for a new job.
He moved to the city for a new job.
Our class starts at 9 and ends at 10.
Our class starts at 9 and ends at 10.
She is late for class because the bus broke.
She is late for class because the bus broke.
Our classroom is bright and has many plants.
Our classroom is bright and has many plants.
Please clean the classroom before you go home.
Please clean the classroom before you go home.
The kitchen is clean after we washed everything.
The kitchen is clean after we washed everything.
Please clean your shoes before you come in.
Please clean your shoes before you come in.
They will climb the small hill after lunch.
They will climb the small hill after lunch.
I want to climb that tree with you.
I want to climb that tree with you.
The clock on the wall shows 9:30.
The clock on the wall shows 9:30.
Please set the clock to the correct time.
Please set the clock to the correct time.
Please close the door when you leave.
Please close the door when you leave.
The shop will close at 6 this evening.
The shop will close at 6 this evening.
I buy new clothes for school.
I buy new clothes for school.
She washes her clothes on Sunday.
She washes her clothes on Sunday.
I go to the sports club.
I go to the sports club.
We dance at the club tonight.
We dance at the club tonight.
It is cold, so wear a coat.
It is cold, so wear a coat.
My coat is blue and warm.
My coat is blue and warm.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Do you want sugar in your coffee?
Do you want sugar in your coffee?
The water is very cold today.
The water is very cold today.
I have a bad cold.
I have a bad cold.
My brother goes to college.
My brother goes to college.
The college is near my house.
The college is near my house.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
Blue is a nice color.
Blue is a nice color.
Please come to my party.
Please come to my party.
Can you come here for a minute?
Can you come here for a minute?
This name is very common here.
This name is very common here.
Colds are common in the winter.
Colds are common in the winter.
He works for a big company.
He works for a big company.
This company makes nice cars.
This company makes nice cars.
Please compare these two pictures.
Please compare these two pictures.
We can compare the prices now.
We can compare the prices now.
Please complete the form today.
Please complete the form today.
The work is now complete.
The work is now complete.
I use a computer for work.
I use a computer for work.
The computer is on the desk.
The computer is on the desk.
We are going to a concert.
We are going to a concert.
The concert starts at 8 o'clock.
The concert starts at 8 o'clock.
We had a nice conversation yesterday.
We had a nice conversation yesterday.
The conversation was about football.
The conversation was about football.
I cooked dinner for my family.
I cooked dinner for my family.
My mother can cook very well.
My mother can cook very well.
My father loves cooking on the weekend.
My father loves cooking on the weekend.
The cooking smells very good.
The cooking smells very good.
The water is nice and cool.
The water is nice and cool.
It is a cool day today.
It is a cool day today.
That is the correct answer.
That is the correct answer.
Is this the correct way?
Is this the correct way?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
The cost is $10.
The cost is $10.
Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
I could run fast when I was young.
I could run fast when I was young.
Which country are you from?
Which country are you from?
Spain is a beautiful country.
Spain is a beautiful country.
I am taking an English course.
I am taking an English course.
The course is 3 weeks long.
The course is 3 weeks long.
My cousin lives in America.
My cousin lives in America.
I play with my cousin on Saturday.
I play with my cousin on Saturday.
The cow is in the field.
The cow is in the field.
We get milk from the cow.
We get milk from the cow.
I like strawberries and cream.
I like strawberries and cream.
Do you want cream in your coffee?
Do you want cream in your coffee?
You can create a new file.
You can create a new file.
We create pictures in art class.
We create pictures in art class.
I like learning about Japanese culture.
I like learning about Japanese culture.
Food is part of our culture.
Food is part of our culture.
Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.